exhaust, dude. Arguably, this is the best driving, tune and exhaust only diesel in the game. Check this out. Whoo, man, does that look good. I haven't looked under here in a little while. Guys, 11 to 14 6.7 powerstroke piping is live on the site. Check it out, first link in the description. The drivability of, not just because it's single cab, it's 11 to 14 6.7 powerstrokes are arguably one of, if not the best driving tune and exhaust only diesel. For daily driving, you want the power on the bottom. These trucks got the power on the bottom. Keys on the dash. All right, guys, welcome to Top Garage. We are on the red single cab. If you guys have been following along that, we picked up a 2011 or 12, don't even know the year, that's brutal. F350 single cab, the same one as I just drove here, essentially. As you can see, it's a little rusty. JB's been down here plugging away on getting the bed ready to be pulled because we got a super fresh bed here. I mean, this thing is like supreme. This thing's ready to go. We're gonna go outside and just roll this thing off of there. Yeah, the thing only has like 100,000 miles on it, and there's just some rust, so we're gonna fix that. Oh my God, look at this. That's brutal. Even if we go a little bit, set it down. How did you get it up so high?
I crossed my arms, dude.
Cross your arm?
I crossed my arms and went under.
Okay, ready?
Watch yourself.
Dude, this thing was bad. Oh yeah.
It's off.
Then it ran a little bit, bud.
Yeah, it's for free. Come get it.
All right, we got a little out of control. Cleaned the frame, hit it probably with about every chemical we had in the old Top Garage here, and then rust inhibited the rust. And now we're gonna hit it with Chassis Saver. Paint directly over rust. I mean, honestly, it's all just surface rust. There's no structural. So we just wrapped the truck. You should have seen that circus. I thought the camera was recording, but it wasn't. I'll tell you what, this stuff's pretty stinky. It says don't shake real big on the can, so it says just lightly mix. So we're just lightly mixing her, bud. Oh yeah, guys, platinum still ain't done. My fault. Harbor Freight gun. I'm not using the good gun for the Chassis Saver. We use the cheapy gun. Put a regulator on there. We're just gonna pour it straight into the thing. I have the 3M system over there and the good gun, but we're gonna use the we're gonna wing it. Stuff's pretty thick. Gonna reduce it down just a smidge. We're outside, so we don't need a mask, right? People are gonna be mad. right, guys, here's where we're at. Chassis saver. Weird stuff. It works pretty good. So there's the finished product we're gonna put the bed on tomorrow. We had to cut all of the bed bolts off. You know, there's 4 on each side. We had to cut every one. They were all completely rusted on the bottom. Couldn't get them out. So we got this freaking air thing right here. It's like out of a body shop. That's like the floor intake deal. I'm not sure the technical term. You body shop guys will know. What I'm thinking is we put that here, like, you know, like at the back of this bay. So it'll be long ways here, parallel with this garage door. And then we can take that, have it here, and we'll have it exhausting outside. And then this, I want to turn into like a full-on paint bay because I find ourselves painting more than not. So, I mean, we just full-on did this outside, which was fine. It was a nice day. It's not too windy. But it would be absolutely killer to have like a full-on paint bay. And inside of there is like the separator tarps that you know can divide off a section, and they're like heavier duty to do that. I mean, you have all the foam insulation for all the stuff for the filters to go in the front. So we'll take that, turn it parallel with that back wall, and that'll sit back there. And then we'll hang the dividers off of this weird little thing, because this is actually 2 shops. This building's super weird. You know, original thing or vice versa. I don't know which one was original. I think this concrete looks a little older. So we'll hang that divider off of the old, you know, original wall that was here when it was just one side. So we got all new bolts. These like wing washer things that clip onto the frame. Bolt goes down through that. So we got fresh bolts for our fresh bed. No bed liner, no spraying bed liner, just JB's out there on the phone. So JB drives the Cummins, and this thing has a front cover or front main seal. Something in the front's, you know, leaking. Drips a solid amount of oil. No, I mean, not terribly. Just standard, you know, pretty much your standard 3rd gen Cummins drip. This is on the list for help. We need to do injectors, a couple other things. It honestly looks like the CCV filter's plugged. There's all that crud on there. But guys, don't forget 11 to 14. You 11 to 14 guys, if you know what I'm talking about when I say that those are arguably one of the best driving tune exhaust only diesels. Intercooler piping's live on the site. Check it out. Look at the freaking bird. There's one on the mirror. Look at it's doing to the mirrors. You see it right there on the mirror. Freaking Robin, dude, just tearing up the mirrors. Oh my God, dude. We gotta do something about these freaking birds.
Well, shit.
Oh my God. Good as new, baby. Josh is fighting with the garage door.